Okay. So now we have seen without any priority keyword, they are running in alphabetical order. Now I want to give priority. So we have taken only description, so parameter for a test, but let's take different. So for example, I want to run this one first. So what I can do, I have to give priority equal to 1 or 0. Simply, so you set the priority how you want. But you have to put a comma. Why? There are multiple keywords if you're using for this test. You have to use comma. So I'm going to use for the next one. So priority 1. I want to run this as a 2. And I want to run this as a 3. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3, right? The order. Three. So whichever the order you have given, that order they will run. 0 means that's the lowest one. First that will execute. Then 1 will execute. Then 2 will execute 3. So let's see that with the same order is coming or not. That's a priority purpose. You can prioritize your @test methods. So the order, which order you want to run. See, first radio button is executing. So last one is, so that is the one. See now the order. You can see the order here now. Here itself it is showing. Radio button first, checkbox second, button third, wait is the last one. So if I give a same priority, let's give same priority, okay? Now which one will execute? So above 2, I won't give priority. So then what is the order of execution? So practice all this, different kinds of, practices. You can do that. So I'm not going to give any priority for the 2 test methods. For the remaining, I'm going to give priority. So I have given same priority. Okay, so all these combinations, see that. So how we are making, so this kind of, if you practice only, you can answer this kind of questions in the interviews. See, these 2, I haven't given the priority. 2 test methods, I haven't given the priority. 2 test methods, I have given same priority. Now, which order they will execute? First, priority set one will execute or priority not set one will execute?
Priority not set one.
But now you observe this all are 0 only. Let's see what is the order. Okay. That also zeros, right? If you don't consider, so it will go alphabetical order, basically. So first button is executed. So basically it is going alphabetical order. So why alphabetical order? Did you understand? These are also 0. Those are also 0 it will take. So all are equal priority value. That's why they are going in alphabetical order. Okay, suppose if I give priority 1 for this, okay, let's give priority 1. Let's give priority 1 for this also. Now, which one will execute first?
No priority one and the next one.
First, no priority 1 will execute. Then it will come to priority set. So they will treat them as a 0 and these will come first. Okay, let's run this and see that. So our guess is correct or not. There are a lot of questions you will get on this kind of combinations. See, first button is done, tweet went. Tweet test case executed. Then it came, see, checkbox. Why radio button last? Checkbox
because it is same priority and it will execute based on the
alphabetical order. That's good. Yeah, see this is the one button, tweet, checkbox, radio. Okay, so clear, right? About this priority, or do you want to play some other?
Fine, Ramesh.
Yeah. Swati, any questions?
No, Ramesh. Good. I'm good.
Okay. So this is try with different common negative also. Okay. So that's a take up as an exercise. Try giving a negative priority and see how it executes. Now, I want to skip the test case. Okay, one of the test case I want to skip. Suppose I don't want to execute this one. So how can you skip it?
Enable is equal to false.
You have to write enable equal to false.
False.
That's it. So then this test case won't be executed. And you can see so this refresh, just refresh, see that all are executed. You can also refresh here. So that's how we can get the values. Every time you don't need to copy. One time it's enough. Even index.html also one time is enough. But every time that if you have a suite file, it will change. Folder name will change. So the first default test.html is there, right? That's careful. If you create a suite file, the suite name, the folder will create under this. See now only 3. So let me take up. So index.html also. I want to show you one more concept there. See, only 3 test cases are executed. Checkbox is skipped. Chronological be before class method button test first after method. Again before method tweet pop-up after method. Again test case after, see after method. Again before method, test case before method. Then test method, then after method, finally after class. So ignored method, see this is the ignored method. So this is what we skipped, right? Checkbox test. That's why it is showing ignored methods also. Output report or output, it will be shown to us. So this is the sort file. And you can see now it is 4, right? Just refresh. See? 3 only ran. Now you can see this here also. See 3 passed, skipped 0, retried 0, failed 0, total time taken, and that you will get. So this is how you can see the reports from TestNG. Okay. So let's go now another one. I want to execute one test case multiple times. How can you execute? Let's see this. Invocation count equal to 3. So that means I want to execute radio button test 3 times. So then you can execute. So that one 3 times. Let's see that. So ready button will execute 3 times. See, radio button executed thrice. 5 total. Just refresh. See, total passed 5. So 5 are executed. See, 5 are executed. 5 are executed. Okay, so that's how we can use the invocation count concept. Then we have a so timeout is there. One more timeout. You can maybe I'll do this timeout. So timeout equal to 2 seconds. So I'm just telling this test case should finish in 2 seconds. If not finished, you will get a failure from this test case. So that's what I'm just expecting. Let's see that. Whether it is going to finish in 2 minutes. So we covered almost so priority enabled equal to false and description, invocation count, timeout. See timeout, I just want to show you the report. See this is the one, right? Failed. What is it? Read this. Didn't finish within the timeout of 2 seconds. Right? So it didn't finish on the specified time. That's why it's throwing error. And you can see now the report. 5 passed, 1 failed, 1 0 skipped. See failed one you will get in the red. So didn't finish within the timeout. So failed one in red color, remainings are in green color, passed ones. So here also you can see the failed one is under this. So this is how you can see all the exceptions also here. So that is the timeout. So we covered most of the @test keywords. Data provider I have shown you in the first program. In the second program, we have seen how to handle pop-ups. We have seen how to get the typed value from the checkbox we have seen. A lot of concepts are there in this program itself. Please practice this program very well, okay? And cover all the scenarios basically. And the description, how to use description for the test method I have shown you. Then priority we have seen. Then timeout, enabled equal to false we have seen. Invocation count, so we have seen. And then we have, yeah, that's it, right? All these keywords. Even we can create a groups also. So that we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow you want to break or it's okay? 1 hour. Swati?
Yeah, it's okay for me, Ramesh.
Okay, then let's continue, okay? Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow because groups, it takes time. You cannot start in the middle. So if you have any doubts, I'll clarify.